Namaste everyone, welcome back to the channel. Khechari Mudra is one of the most mysterious and powerful mudras described in classical Hatha Yoga. It is not just a physical gesture of the tongue, it is a doorway inward. Ancient yogis says that the one who masters Khechari conquers hunger, thirst, time and even the restless mind. Today we will understand what exactly is Khechari Mudra, how to practice it safely, the science behind its effects, and the spiritual transformation it opens within us. This is a deep practice, so listen carefully and practice only with patience and awareness. What is Khechari Mudra? The word Khechari comes from two Sanskrit roots. Khe means sky, ether or space. Chara means to move, to float. So Khechari means one who moves in the inner sky. This refers to a state where awareness withdraws from the external world and begins to move into the subtle inner dimensions of consciousness. Practically, it is done by folding the tongue upward and back, touching the upper palate. But spiritually, it is about turning the senses inward and entering inner stillness. Sitting position. Sit in Padmasana, Siddhasana or Vajrasana. Spine straight, face relaxed. Hand mudra. Place hands in Chin mudra or Gyan mudra. Tongue position. Slowly open the mouth, roll your tongue upward. Touch the soft upper palate behind the hard palate. Do not force or strain. In beginning, the tongue may only reach slightly, and that is okay. The practice deepens over weeks and months. Breathing. Now perform Ujjayi Pranayama. Slow, deep, gentle whispering breath. Feel the breath brushing the throat. Duration. Start with 1-2 minutes. Over time, increase to 5-10 minutes. Awareness. First, feel the throat. Then, shift awareness to Vishuddhi Chakra. Observe calmness spreading in mind and body. First, physical and psychological. Stimulates nerves and pressure points in the nasal cavity. Massages endocrine glands. Balances hormonal secretions. Reduces hunger and thirst. Activates salivary glands, improving digestion and healing. Second, mental and emotional. Induces deep calmness and stillness. Reduces anxiety and overthinking. Sharpens mental clarity and attention. Third, energetic and spiritual. Awakens Vishuddhi Chakra. Helps redirect prana inward. Promotes inner silence. Leads towards Kundalini awakening when combined with Pranayama and meditation. This mudra is mentioned in all major Hatha Yoga texts, including Hatha Yoga Pradipika, as a gateway to deeper states of consciousness. Never force the tongue back. If you feel bitter taste, stop temporarily. Body is detoxifying. Avoid when you have mouth ulcers, throat infection or cuts on the tongue. The traditional practice of cutting the frenum is not recommended. This is for reclusive monks, not modern lifestyle practitioners. Please approach this mudra with respect, patience and awareness. Khechari Mudra is best combined with Ujjayi Pranayama, Nadi Shodhan Pranayama, Om chanting, meditation on the breath or spine. Even 5 minutes daily can change your inner state profoundly. This is not just a mudra for the tongue, it is a doorway to silence. Khechari reminds us that the journey is inward. When the senses withdraw, the mind becomes still, and in that stillness, the self reveals itself. Namaste.